Everyone, it's me Ina again, and today I'm gonna show you how to make volcano fried rice with shrimp in oyster sauce. Okay, so to begin with, you'll need to rinse the rice with water and drain the cloudy water up to 3 or 4 times. Okay, so if you have a rice cooker, that's gonna be easy for you to steam the rice. But if you don't have, you just have to put the rinsed rice in a sturdy pot and then cover with water. And the water should be about like 1 inch higher than the level of the rice. Okay, so volcano rice needs more water than usual rice. So if you use 1 cup of rice, you need to put like 2 cups of water. Okay, so if you're going to make 1 cup of rice, you have to add 4 cups of water because 1 cup of rice is equivalent to 2 cups of water. And then we're just gonna add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a pinch of salt, kosher salt, and then mix everything together, and then it's ready to steam or it's ready to cook. So if you have a rice cooker, it's gonna be easy for you to cook or steam your rice because you just have to leave it and wait until it's done. Okay, so one tip to make a better fried rice, you just have to use a cold rice or a leftover rice because dried out cold rice gets much crispier in the skillet than the freshly cooked rice. So in a large pan over high heat, just put a tablespoon of oil and then beat 2 eggs with a teaspoon of water and then salt, and then cook the egg about like 30 seconds and then transfer to a plate. Then you can return to skillet to high heat and then add a tablespoon of oil, add the garlic, and cook until fragrant for about a minute. And then we can add the cold volcano rice or um, leftover rice and stirring until heated through. Okay, add half cup of green peas and then add 1 teaspoon of salt and then cook until it heated through. Add 1/4 cup of carrots, okay. Making fried rice is very easy, so you can just add vegetable that you like. You can add green beans or you can add like black beans or red beans, but this time I use black beans like half cup, and then you can also add some corn if you like to, but this fried rice I put a tidbits of spam, fried spam, and then you can add your scrambled egg. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, and just keep on stirring. Okay, so that's it. I think our fried rice is already done. So, but you just have to try your fried rice. If you need to add more salt and pepper, you can add a little more. So we're gonna make the shrimp in oyster sauce. Just add 2 tablespoons of butter in the pan, and then a tablespoon of minced garlic, and then a tablespoon of minced ginger. Cook the ginger and the garlic until you smell the aroma. Okay, so add at least a pound of cleaned shrimp and a tablespoon of chili garlic sauce. Okay, so add 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce and cook the shrimp for about like 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, so do not overcook your shrimp or else it's going to be robbery. Okay, so when it's almost done, we just have to drizzle it with lemon juice, and then that's it. So now we can arrange our volcano fried rice into the bowl. And then we're going to add our shrimp in oyster sauce. And we can also add some over easy egg on top of it. Okay, so you can sprinkle it with the green onions on top, and then that's it. It's ready to serve. Okay guys, so I hope you liked the video for today or the recipe for today. I am just giving you an idea how to create or level up your fried rice using volcano rice. So you can just make or create your own with your favorite vegetable, of course. And I hope you like it. And thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.